Welcome to the KBIS and IBS 2024 recap show brought to you by KHB Construction. We are going to check out the highlights and all the best moments from this year's International Builder Show and Kitchen and Bath Industry Show. First up, innovation. Smart appliances took center stage this year with brands showcasing the latest in technology for your kitchen, bath, and full home. Next, sustainability was a key theme with eco-friendly material and energy-efficient products making a big impact throughout this year's show. Design trends also made a splash with vibrant colors and bold patterns making a comeback in kitchen and bath designs. Attendees were wowed by the stunning display and hands-on demonstrations from some of the industry's top experts.
I'm demonstrating the new timber drive tool for Simpson. This is our single feed drop tool for structural fasteners. It does from a 3-inch screw to a 6 1/4-inch screw. We're going to drive the 4-inch with the cordless motor. It's easy to use. You line it up for your length. We know this is a 4-inch, so it fits into the setting B. Lower depth, upper depth of B. Simple to operate. As long as you got a G2 adapter, it'll hook on right on here. One at a time, drop it in. Let the screw do the work. 4-inch screws. That's sweet. Yeah.
We also got to meet a few new faces and learn about their brand new products.
Hey, my name is Mike. I am with Tub Armor, and we are here at the IBS International Builder Show. The very first debut of the Tub Armor product, never seen before, had awesome reviews on it. This product here is to solve the common problem in the industry where tubs will get chipped, scratched, dented, dinged, destroyed in the construction process because you're putting a finished product in a rough environment. And then the contractors generally work around the tub to be able to finish the shower walls and stuff. So this product allows work inside the tub without damaging it. So, common problem, here's the solution.
Jordan here with FlexiJet. You're going to give you a quick tour of what the FlexiJet is and what it does. So we're it's a laser point based measurement system. And we're going to measure something really small in 3D here. Obviously, the scale and scope of this is quite scalable, but one of the key things with us is we got a full 360-degree range of motion. So we're not limited to measuring in one particular direction. We can also go straight down, even directly underneath ourselves, as well as straight up. When we start a measurement with the FlexiJet, we start by pressing this button here called auto leveling. So we're going to create a measurement drawing, a CAD drawing in real time, and we're going to be reference to level and reference to plumb right out of the gate there.
And let's not forget about one of my favorite things about this is the networking opportunities where industry professionals come and connect and share ideas for the future of kitchens and bathrooms and construction. Overall, KBIS and IBS 2024 was a huge success, leaving attendees inspired and excited for what is to come in the world of kitchen and bath design and construction. Thanks for watching the video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more recaps and highlights from the world of construction and design.